Hi there, today we're going to talk about how to upload a video link to your Google Classroom stream. The first thing you're going to want to do is get the link from the source that you're sharing with your students. So I am building a 1-minute tutorial library on my YouTube channel, Teaching Tech Together. Feel free to grab any of those videos for your students. Click on the share button, then click copy so that it'll copy the link for you. Return to your classroom stream and create an announcement like usual. Go to the plus sign, create announcement, type your message. I'm going to put use the video. You forget how to resize an image. So posting a video is helpful because then I'm not answering the same question multiple times. Students oftentimes forget, and I can just refer them back to the video. So you're going to click on this play button icon here, select URL, and paste the link. It's going to give you a preview of what you're posting. Select add and post. And then your students will have a video to reference on the Google Classroom stream.